So, hello friends, this will be a short video. So, as the title suggests, like rejection of an activity with you is not the rejection of you as a person. So, what recently happened was that one of my close friends, he had to go somewhere. Like he had the option to go to either event A with me or an event B with someone else, and when he said no to me, telling me that he wanted to go to this event B, uh, how I reacted or how my psyche responded in general was uh, more as if like he had rejected the entire idea of me in the sense that he doesn't value my presence or if I'm not good enough or something like that. But it took me some time for me to wrap my head around the fact that everything you get said no to is not entirely about you per se. Like when I was in that exact position and when he said no, it felt that he rejected me in some very deep, fundamental way, and as a person, he rejected me, right? So, what instead I could have thought, or what I should have thought, or what uh, I should keep in my mind was keep in my mind should be that, and it occurred to me a lot later that he could have said no to a lot of reasons. It might be a matter of his just personal preference as to what we were going to do at event A and not event B, or maybe he just wanted to see another group of friends he might have not met in a long while, or simply maybe the other group of friends he could go to event B with were more important to him than what I had thought, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, if something like this happens, remember that it might not be as much about you as you would like to believe. And also believe me, if it is really about you, if it is really about you, who you are as a person to this person, you'll feel something like this a lot many times, and then you can be sure. So, just to sum it up again, they said no to the plan and not to you as a person, right? And I'm sorry to end by breaking your heart. Mine broke some time ago as well. So if it is about you, you'll feel like that for a lot of times, and then you can make your decision if it was really for you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Love you all. Bye bye.